Emma is a young girl. She is 20 years old. She lives in a small town. Her town is quiet and green. She lives with her mother, father, and little brother. Their house is small, but it is very clean and cozy. One day, Emma's father gets a new job in a big city. The family must move. Emma is excited, but also a little scared. She will miss her home, her school, and her best friend Anna. Emma says goodbye to her town. She packs her clothes, books, and toys. Her little brother, Tom, helps her. I will miss this place, Emma says. Me too, says Tom. The family takes a long trip by car. After 5 hours, they arrive in the city. The city is big and noisy. There are many cars and tall buildings. Emma looks out of the window. Wow, she says, this place is very different. They go to their new home. It is an apartment on the 4th floor. The building has an elevator. The apartment is bigger than their old house. Emma has her own room now. She is happy. The next day, Emma starts her new school. She is nervous. She wears a blue dress and carries a red backpack. She meets her teacher, Mrs. Clark. Welcome, Emma, says Mrs. Clark. Emma smiles and says, Thank you. Emma sits next to a girl named Sarah. Sarah has long brown hair and a big smile. Hi, says Sarah. I'm Sarah. What's your name? I'm Emma, she replies. Nice to meet you, says Sarah. Nice to meet you too, Emma says. At break time, Sarah shows Emma around the school. There is a big library, a playground, and a cafeteria. Emma likes the library. She loves books. After school, Emma goes home. She tells her mother about her day. I made a new friend, she says. Her name is Sarah. That's wonderful, says her mother. Emma feels happy. She thinks, maybe this city is not so bad. Every morning, Emma wakes up at 7 a.m. She washes her face, brushes her teeth, and eats breakfast with her family. Her mother makes eggs, bread, and tea. Emma loves her mother's cooking. At 8 a.m., Emma walks to school. The school is not far. It takes 15 minutes. On the way, she sees many people. Some walk, some ride bicycles, and some drive cars. The city is always busy. At school, Emma learns many things. She studies English, math, history, and science. Her favorite subject is English. She likes reading and writing stories. Mrs. Clark says Emma is a good student. During lunch break, Emma eats with Sarah and two other girls, Lily and Nora. They talk and laugh together. What do you like to do after school? Asks Sarah. I like drawing, says Emma. I like dancing, says Lily. I like football, says Nora. Emma laughs. Football? That's cool. One day, Sarah invites Emma to her house. Let's do homework together, she says. Emma agrees. After school, they go to Sarah's house. Sarah's mother welcomes Emma. Hello, Emma. Would you like some juice? Yes, please, Emma says. The juice is cold and sweet. The girls do their homework. Then they listen to music and talk about their dreams. I want to be a teacher, says Sarah. I want to be an artist, says Emma. Wow, that's great, says Sarah. Later, Emma walks home. It is evening. The sky is orange and pink. She thinks about her day. She feels happy and peaceful. That night, Emma writes in her diary, Dear Diary, today was a nice day. I did my homework with Sarah. I like her very much. She is kind and funny. I think I can be happy in this new city.